Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to print the n natural numbers. N natural numbers means the user will give the input and the value will be provided up to that natural numbers. Okay. So you have to take an input. That's it. In my previous video, I already discussed about how to print 10 natural numbers, first 10 natural numbers. So in this video, let's take an input first. So I'm taking a number as n. We all know how to input. We all know how to input. Input, enter, enter the number, okay. Let me first do in a while loop. I equals to 1, then while I less than equals to n. Why I am using equals to? Because I need the value up to n. So I did here equals to. Okay. Print I comma, I want it in the same line. Okay. So I'm using this I comma end. End means in the same line. Okay. You all know. I already said in my previous video. Okay. That's it. Then I plus equals to 1. Simple. I plus equals to 1. Okay, that's it. Now let's see. Enter the number. So let me give you a 20. See, 1 to 20 it is printed. Natural numbers. Okay, I already said natural numbers begins from 1. Okay. Now let's do it in the for loop. Let's do it in the for loop. Okay. So range function, you all know, I already said in my previous video. For I in range, starting from 1, because natural number starts from 1, comma n plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because if I write here n plus 1, then it will take up to n. I already said you have to take the higher value, then the previous value will be there. Suppose I want to print 10 natural numbers, so I have to write here 11. So it will take up to 10. So decreasing, it is decreasing by 1. So I took here n plus 1, then it will be up to n. Okay. Now simple, just print I comma end equals to, that's it. Now let's print. Let me do one thing here. Let me give here a space, then it will look good. Now let's print. Enter the number. I again give 20 here. See, up to 20 it is printed. So it's very easy. The logic is very easy. Okay. The logic is very easy. You can do. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe. Stay healthy.